Hello and welcome to this very quick video on how to do the level calibration on the ZOHD Kopilot Lite. Now I've done a complete series on this already, so go and check that out if you are interested in this. But this is specifically for a subscriber of mine that's struggling to get the level calibration to work. Now you do need to be in stabilized mode and you do need to have a decent amount of travel on your sticks, although I've reduced mine just to make it easier to fly in manual mode. So let me just set everything up and I'll very quickly go through the process. All you have to do is to just hold the sticks into the bottom center position for more than 5 seconds. But hopefully if I do it like this, I'll be able to show you all of the different lights and how they work. Now, level calibration is important because you need to teach the Kopilot what level feels like in your particular model, and it's also worthwhile potentially raising the nose slightly on whatever model you're doing, because most models will fly slightly nose up when they're flying straight and level. And what I've done, I've got full throws on my inputs, but I have reduced the aileron and elevator travel very slightly just to make it easier to fly. Now at the moment we haven't got 3D lock, which is why it's beeping away. So what I'm going to do is press and hold the sticks into the middle position. There's the light flashing. I'm going to hold them for another couple of seconds just to make sure and let go. And then don't touch anything. The level calibration will carry on, and we're waiting for that light to go solid, everything's come back. There we go, everything's come back on, and then we just power cycle it and the calibration is done. So hopefully that helps those of you that have been struggling with this. Make sure you're in stabilized mode, and if you're not getting it into that mode, I would make sure that the probably travel on the elevator and aileron channels is enough to trigger it. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning, and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.